As part of the Beyond Clean series, this is the RBV 150 battery backpack. Much is the same with the electric backpack, minus the bottom chamber, which houses the battery. In this is a 15-pound backpack, but it's how it's worn on the body that's really important. The battery just simply takes in here, pops in. It will run the machine for approximately 90 minutes on low, 60 minutes on high. The battery itself put into the charger, the off-board charger, will charge 80% in 1 hour, 100% in 2 hours. At the beginning of the shift, we're going to look at the actual filtration system and check everything out. Just removing the 2 toggles and checking the bag. The bag is your HEPA bag. Every time you replace the bag, you get a brand new HEPA filter. This is your primary filter. It's all polyester polypropylene, and it's held with a piece of plastic on the top here. The plastic makes it so that the bag will not rip. It's very, very easy to simply take the bag and push it on to hold it in place. The secondary filter is here. There should be a tiny bit of dust on here, nothing much over a period of time. This is a secondary filter. This is your primary filter, which is going to take the bulk of the debris. From inside, there's really nothing inside of here other than the chamber and the motor being down at the bottom. This filter just simply goes in. This one goes on. It's the shiny side to the front. Take this, open these up, put this on, take the clips and toggle the clips. The height adjustment for the harness and the whole harnessing system is made for multiple different operators, from somebody that's a little taller stature to somebody who's vertically challenged. You can move this up and down in the position in here, whatever suits the operator. You've got a memory foam here, a pleat in here to allow for airflow, and the weight is actually distorted so that it goes onto your hips and not onto your shoulders. When we take these and put these on, and we put it onto our back, right now all the weight is up on my shoulders and not onto my hips. The bottom harness here is made of elastic with Velcro. It's made for several different operators, from here all the way to the side where the Velcro can wrap. As you can see, if I take this harness and I just put it here, all the weight is still up on my shoulders. I want to take and I want to pull this, have this sitting not down here too far. I want to take these and pull them so that it's up sitting on the proper part of my back up in here. Then from there, taking these, again, not just pulling these and wrapping these because the weight's up here, take and pull these, extensuate and pull it and wrap it. The more you wrap it, the more it takes the weight off your shoulders and takes it down onto your hips. I'm right-handed, so I keep this one a little loose. If I cinch it way up as I'm moving my arm to do my vacuuming motion, it's digging into my shoulder. So I'll take this, loosen this one off. When it is loose, I can move and pivot around, and it's not going to move on my back. There is a sternum strap which can adjust higher and lower, and adjust the sternum strap, which is based on elastics. And then we have the wand system, which comes around and hits a stop point so it's not hitting me in the back of the head. Also, they can take this either up above or down underneath their arm. The hose is not too long where it's obnoxious and getting in the way up in the top. When we actually use it, the switch is here on the battery machine. It's also here on the electric machine. On the battery machine, as soon as I activate the switch, there's a 2-second delay. The series of lights come on. Each light is roughly about 20 minutes. This is indicating that my battery is fully charged. I can go along with my shift. 20 minutes, one bar goes off, another 20 minutes, another bar goes off. Then the last one will go off. The light will flash, indicating that the battery is out of power. At that point, you remove the battery, put a new battery in, and away you go. The wand system is depending on what your preference is. There's a Sidewinder wand, which is a newer wand for us, being all aluminum with 2 sections with an adapter built in for the top. So the adapter goes into the wand piece, the hose cuff onto here. Then the wand is telescopic on both sides. So you can have a large extended reach, so they can take each one and adjust it for the Sidewinder. Now there's Sidewinder carpet, which is plastic bottom. or Sidewinder hard floor, which is a natural fiber bristle that comes out for hard floor. Using Sidewinder, it's a matter of getting around the furniture rather than moving the furniture. And it's a side-to-side motion, hence Sidewinder. If they're gonna go standard tool, which is the back and forth style, it's going to have one of these pieces, less the adapter piece, which is powdered epoxy coated aluminum. That will go into here. This goes into the powdered epoxy, so the black into the black, the silver is at the base. Extend this. Now we're in the back and forth style of this floor tool. That's carpet, step on it, the bristles come out, goes hard floor. So the ability with this is nice because they can go carpet to hard floor. This is extended, the full extension here, full extension here. If I want to make it shorter, I can take this, put this piece in, makes it shorter again, plus I can go shorter even still. And again, going back to the other side, simply putting that into here, extending this all the way down. Now I'm back in, this is the standard motion where it's back and forth instead of side to side. We've also introduced another floor tool and wand system. There's a different cuff that comes with it. It fits right over top of this ridge. The cuff is soft, fits right in, right over top. This is the S-bend wand system, which is a two-piece aluminum. So it's aluminum sections, it's 1.5 with the standard 1.25 hose, and it's built with the S bend at the top, the S bend at the base, and then the floor tool with the sculpt. So it's going to go for your hard floor with a little tiny bit of bristle to give you a tiny bit of agitation to the carpet. It can be used in the back and forth. The S bend gets underneath the furniture, or you can tilt it slightly to the side to do a Sidewinder type of motion with this floor tool as well. For those people that are used to this style of a floor tool, or you have the standard floor tool, or you have the Sidewinder floor tool. Thanks for hanging out with us on Beyond Clean. Hopefully you picked up some tips to make your cleaning routine even smoother. If you have questions or want to check out more, we've got plenty waiting for you online. Remember, we're always here to help. See you next time.